5 Maintenance Tips for Heavy Machinery, Part 1. Number 1, keep it routine. Just like the annual checkup with your physician, a regular checkup on the overall functionality and condition of your heavy machinery helps keep the continuity of what is expected and the standard performance of your equipment. Any non-scheduled emergency maintenance and repair jobs done on heavy machinery are typically fraught with human error and performed in a time crunch. Number 2, use the right tools for the job. Check and double-check all machinery and attachments before using them in the field. Your workers and your wallet will thank you. When replacing parts, don't assume the first ones you come across are the right ones for your machinery. Bearings, roller chains, gaskets, seals, etc., must all be the right quality and size and have the correct load-bearing qualities for your machine. Number 3, don't overwork your machines. Never exceed your equipment's stated performance specifications and limitations as found in your owner/operator manual. As with any industry where heavy equipment is a staple of operation, effectiveness and efficiency are key to optimal performance and yielding the best results for your efforts. Knowing and abiding by weight limits for loads and inclines for transit are an easy way to keep your heavy machinery working.